everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case you're new to my channel, and today I'm going to do a little review of TheBalm's Nude Beach. This is their volume 3 of their like nude palettes. I was going to do a little demo with this, but I like finished my makeup. Sorry about that. So I will sort of do like kind of swatchies of the shades, and if you would like a 2-in-1 look from this palette, just comment down below and I will get that done. It probably wouldn't be until next month because Viva is next week and I am trying to get things filmed and packed, and I'm not gonna lie, I am having a really rough time. Yeah, I'm going a little crazy this year. Everything's done, which I think is what's sort of stressing me out, that everything's done. I know it sounds weird, but that's how it is. So, anywho, this is the palette. This is what it looks like. It is their version, I guess you could say, of the like warm, neutral nude palettes. This came out either right before or really close to like when the Naked Heat, the Tarte Toasted, and the whole hullabaloo with the Too Faced Sweet Peach. They had like 2 or 3 releases for that. This kind of came out around the same time, and it really kind of got like brushed over, I feel like, in the YouTube community. There's still a lot of like bigger YouTube channels. Oh my goodness, my stomach is growling so loud right now. There's still quite a few channels who have this and have like not done anything with it even yet, because it just sort of got like, I don't know, overshadowed. This actually, when they released it, sold out on their website. I purchased mine at Kohl's. I'll put links down below. You can get it from TheBalm.com. You can get it, if your Kohl's has a beauty section, you can get it there, or you can get it online. I actually love this palette. I was totally obsessed with it. I still use it a lot, but I used this like a lot when I first got it. It's what I have on my eyes today. So I'll kind of go through what I did on my eyes, and then if you want to see, like, because it's kind of broken up, you've got like these like really pretty like warm pinky mauvey rosy tones over here, and then on this side you have the more like warm like red undertone browns. This one is just a really nice medium matte brown. You've got your like orangey red undertone matte transition, and then this dark brown over here is like a chocolatey brown with a red undertone, but also like almost like a burgundy red bronze thing happening. Does that make sense? But I really love this palette. I like it because you can use either side together. You can use either side alone. You can do something very simple. You can do like a more like dramatic look. This was gonna be simple, and then it went a little, it's not super dramatic. It's not super dramatic. But I was gonna actually go even more simple with this, and then I was like, ooh, well, what about a little this here and a little this there? And the next thing I know, both eyes were dead, and I was like, shoot, I was gonna show them how to do something with it. But I really like it. So let me get some things together. I have to have the window open because I am so hot right now. Where I live, I'm like walking distance to a beach, and at that like village beach area, there are the stairs. I still haven't counted the stairs yet. I want to say it's probably like 50 stairs. No, it feels like 50 stairs going up. It's probably like 25, but it feels like 50. So I have been walking down to the stairs, walking down to the village, then to to the stairs and doing 3 rounds up and down the stairs. And it takes me quite a while to cool off. So yeah, the window's open, so if you hear traffic in the neighborhood, I apologize. But we'll go sort of like section by section. I love the packaging. It has all these little guys and gals, and they're look like they're naked, but they're, oh, well, yeah, there's his hips. They're naked, and their bodies are the shades. So I will do my best to explain the shades. It also has a nice mirror right here, so it's great. It came with a brush. I have no idea where the brush is. It was a dual-ended brush. It's somewhere lost. But first we have, this shade is called Brilliant. It is a matte cream shade, and then underneath that we have Babe, which is sort of a kind of a golden ivory, and then Babe is matte, or Brilliant is matte, and Babe is a shimmer. So I always start out with Brilliant all over my lid. So next up in the Dude, we've got Buff and Bright. So Buff is kind of a, how would I describe this? It's a pink with, I guess, almost like a, how would I describe this? It's kind of a pinky gold, if that makes sense. So this right here is Buff, and then Bright is this really pretty warm, like mauvey, rosy, matte pink. So those are the first 2 people. And I love Bright as just a really simple like matte transition shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. So our next person, and I just stuck my wrong finger in that. This first shade is Brainiac, which is very similar to Bright, except it's a little more, let me swatch them next to each other so I can see. It's a little, I would say it has a little bit more almost orange to it, even though it's still pink. When you put them on, they look really, really similar, except Brainiac, it has a sheen to it. So let me put Bright down here at the end. Bright is just like a little bit dustier pink. So this is Brainiac right here. I hope you can see these swatches okay. I apologize. And then this one right here is Brave. It's like a matte burgundy. It has a little bit of like a, almost like the tone of Brainiac, like shimmer in it, but I feel like it comes off very matte on the lid. And then over here, this is Bright, so you can kind of see the 2 of them next to each other. They're similar. Brainiac is actually has a little more punch of color, and I think that has to do with the shimmer to it. So, but they blended on top of each other, they end up looking really, really similar. So next in line, our Dude, we're now going to get into the warm, more nude shade. So the first one is Built, and then he also has Bold. So Built is this really pretty like gold champagne, and then Bold is a really nice medium matte brown. Next up, our chick, we have Bodacious. I wanted to say Bodylicious. I was like, that's not the word. And then Breathtaking. So this is Bodacious. This is Breathtaking. Again, Bodacious is this really pretty matte orangey red brown. And then Bodacious is more of like it's like a, if you mixed a gold and like a brassy bronze together, I would say that would be breathtaking. Really, really pretty shades. After I'm done swatching all this, I will let you know exactly what and where is on my eyeballs. And then our last dude is, my fingers are all stained now. I need something wet to get this off. Bootylicious and Brazen. So Bootylicious is like, it's a shimmer. It's this like chocolatey, like burgundy brown shimmer. And then Brazen is just a really nice matte, deep brown shade. So those are all of the shades in the palette. The way I did my makeup today is I started with Brilliant. I put that all over my lid, top to bottom. Next, I went in with Bodacious. All of my crease totally blown out. I even kind of went down onto my lid a little bit. And just really worked that in and got it really nice and smooth. And then I took a little bit of Brazen right here, and I just worked that right on the outer edge. And then I took a little bit more of Bodacious and kind of blended over that where the crease was, so that it was just nice and blended and smooth. Then with my finger, I took Built and I put that all over my lid and in my inner corner. And with a little pencil brush, I took Bootylicious and I put that on my lower lash line. I also took a little bit of Babe and I put that under my brow bone for highlight, and that was that. So that is it. I think that this is a really great palette. This is probably what I'm going to bring to Viva, just because I feel like there's enough variety with this that I can go from just a really simple like matte brown and cream and a little bit of this, maybe a little bit of that kind of a thing. Like I can kind of mix things together and make a really simple day look, or I can kick it up and make a really nice evening look with it. I'm also going to bring a couple of like extra shimmer individuals things to kind of amp things up for evening. But I actually really recommend this palette. This is probably my favorite out of their nudes. I don't have the volume 2 yet. I still have to get that one, but I think this is a great palette. I think it was really, really overlooked when it came out. It got overshadowed by some of the other popular releases. So it's in stock, you can get it, and I think this is a great palette. I take this with me a lot on vacation, because again, you can get such a variety of different looks with this palette. If you just, you know, stick to like over here, or if you went into here, or if you went into like here or over here, or mixed, you know, the two like different sides together, you can get a really distinctive variety of looks with this palette. So again, if you're interested in seeing a couple of eye looks, I can do one where I do one that's like just this side and one that's like just that side. Let me know down below and I will put that on my list of to-do videos. And that is it for me. I will have a couple more videos before I leave for Viva. I have one that's pre-recorded that will be live, that will go up while I am at Viva. So hopefully I can get my next video up this week and then one more up next week, and I will still be on track. So that is it for me. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as part of the family. So you can go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the little bell. That will notify you every time I upload a video. I am trying to keep to twice a week. This week was really hard mentally for me. I have been just really high anxiety and stress with our trip next week, but I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. So be sure to follow me on Instagram at Modern Retro Gal, and you can see all the fun that Jennifer and I and everyone else that will be at Viva Las Vegas number 21 will be having. So that's it for me for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.